Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. On the 17th of February 2025, the state of Idaho filed a motion, which is an application for a court order to seal exhibits to state's rebuttal to defendant's supplemental response to request for discovery regarding expert witnesses. This is a mouthful, to say the least. But this all boils down to a section of the trial and pretrial order that Judge Stephen Hippler rendered in this case back in October of 2024, that certain events were to happen at certain points during pretrial leading to the summer trial in the Idaho 4 case. One section dealt with expert witness disclosures, and that's where the state of Idaho and the defense were both ordered at certain points in time, beginning with December 18th, 2024, to disclose to the other side the names, the curriculum vitae, which is a fancy name for a resume, and a synopsis of what the proposed expert would be expected to testify at trial to. It went state is to disclose their case in chief or guilt phase experts to the defense first. Then the defense comes back with their rebuttal. Then the state has the final word with their rebuttal to the defense's disclosed experts. State gets two opportunities because it is their burden of proof to prove every element of every one of the 5 first-degree felonies that Mr. Kohberger has been charged with at beyond a reasonable doubt evidentiary standard. Then it goes into if there is a conviction, the second part of the trial. But this relates to the expert witnesses for the case in chief. And it says here, comes now the state of Idaho by and through the Latah County prosecuting attorney, and hereby moves the court pursuant to, and legal authority is given here, for an order sealing the exhibits attached to the state's rebuttal to defendant's supplemental response to request for discovery regarding expert witnesses. Since the exhibits contain details regarding possible testimony which is not currently known to the public, and this information could impede the court's ability to select a fair jury. So this is quite interesting. What sort of information is not known to the public as of yet? Well, unfortunately for the public, that information is in these exhibits that the state wants sealed. It concludes by saying the state has contacted the defense counsel and they have no objection to this motion. Respectfully submitted the 16th day of February 2025 by Ashley S. Jennings, who is the senior deputy prosecuting attorney. Sometimes you see a little bit of a discrepancy here with the dates. Signed on the 16th of February. Sometimes it takes a day to upload it into the public record by the clerk of court. Electronically filed February 17th, 2025 is what is up in the right-hand corner of the first page and where you need to go to find this document. Now, Judge Hippler went ahead and granted this motion. He's seeing here that there's no objection from the defense. The defense isn't going to come back and file a response in opposition. So therefore, the court went ahead and granted this request. That's what a motion is. It's an application for a court order. Judge Hippler rendered that order sealing these exhibits. If you would like to review this document, please go to the link that I have provided in the description to this and every podcast episode of the Indie Zone podcast. And until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you so much for joining us here today.